Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. I was asked by request to show how I made the box inverted and what I've done. So let me take the time to show you how simple this is from us old timers. So don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe to the channel, to both of our channels, Merc Productions. You want to take everything out of the box. That's the first thing. Put it to the side. Be safe. Put it away from everything. What I've done is I've taken some packing tape, and after I'm all done, I went over the whole box. All you need to do is, step one, remove the handle. Do your best to remove it. And I do apologize if I don't get this all on film the correct way. It is very simple to do. You may have to take this actual handle out altogether. That's the best thing. Now what you're going to do is you want to put this back on the opposite way that you just taken it off. So slide it through the box. You might as well do that now than wait till later. And just give it a little pull. It may be hard at the beginning, as you can see on one. You slide the other one through. And I do apologize if hands get in the way. That's why I got two camera angles here. Now I am taking my time and I am doing the best to get it on safely. This is a demonstration I've done over and over. You want to get in the box over here. Apply some pressure and lift the sides up on both of them. Just apply some pressure to the bottom of the box and the top. Roll your thumb. The box opens up. All you need to do now is, like I said, get yourself some packing tape, go over the whole box. And the reason for that is, when you go to a wet grass area, it will not get destroyed. So if you want to travel or ship your box, do something with it, it protects the inside of the box. That's the one reason why I've done it. So lay it out upside down. You're going to fold in the arms the way they came. You're going to simply fold over, lock one side into place, and repeat the same to the other side. Once you do that, you're going to grab what came out, depending on which way you like your product to go in. Place it back in, fold back the arms in correctly, place into the areas, and congratulate yourself. Now you got a stealth box. You can write whatever you want on it, tape over it. You got many excellent years of use. Have a great day. And once again, thank you very much. Check him out on Facebook, YouTube.